Never eat this at night after 60. It's one of the most common foods in senior diets, but it could be quietly weakening your legs while you sleep. Every night, this one food may slow muscle repair, cause stiffness, and make it harder to walk in the morning. And the worst part? Most people think it's healthy. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to avoid, why it's hurting your strength, and what to eat instead to support strong, steady legs. The last example I'll share is the most surprising, because it's probably in your kitchen right now. So stay with me, and if you find this helpful, a quick like or subscribe really helps more seniors see it too. Let's get right to it. Let's talk about what's really going on in your body after 60. Right now, your muscles, especially in your legs, are working harder than ever to keep you balanced, steady, and mobile. But with age, something changes. You lose muscle faster, your joints feel tighter, and even simple things like getting up from a chair or walking across the room start to feel heavier. Why? It's not just aging. It's what's happening inside your body at night while you sleep. That's when your body does most of its healing. Your muscles recover, your joints rebuild, your tissues repair. But if you eat the wrong food late in the evening, you interrupt that healing process. You might feel stiff in the morning, sluggish in your legs, and a little more unsteady getting out of bed. Now here's the surprising part. The food I'm talking about? Refined carbs and sugary snacks. Even the ones labeled low-fat or heart-healthy. Foods like a slice of white toast, sweetened cereal, crackers, or even a banana with peanut butter. They seem harmless, some even seem smart. But when you eat simple sugars at night, they spike your blood sugar, trigger insulin release, and block your body's ability to produce and repair collagen. And collagen? That's the glue holding your joints, muscles, and connective tissues together. So if you're over 60 and you're eating something sugary or carb-heavy after dinner, you may be weakening your legs while you sleep. But what most people miss is the damage isn't just overnight. It builds up over time. Here's the thing nobody told us when we turned 60. Collagen production drops sharply around this age. That's the protein that keeps your joints cushioned, your tendons flexible, and your muscles strong and supported. You may notice it first in your knees, or when your hips feel tight after sitting too long, or when your balance feels just a little off. It's not your imagination. It's your connective tissue breaking down, slower recovery, less strength. And when you combine low collagen with poor nighttime habits, your legs suffer first. You might even wake up with stiff joints, weak ankles, sore calves, or that feeling like your legs just won't wake up right away. That's why it's not just what you eat, it's when you eat it. If you eat sugar or starch before bed, your body spends all night managing blood sugar instead of building collagen or restoring leg strength. But here's the good news. You can flip the script with a simple change tonight. Swap your evening snack for something collagen-friendly. A few slices of turkey with a hard-boiled egg, a small bowl of bone broth, even a handful of cashews or berries with cottage cheese. These help your body heal, not hurt, overnight. The next part is where everything changes. A lot of seniors have been told that protein is mainly for bodybuilders, or that you don't need much of it after 60. That couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, your protein needs actually go up with age. Why? Because you're losing muscle faster. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it can shrink your strength by up to 3% per year after age 60. Now think about your legs. They carry your weight, they help you get out of bed, they catch you if you stumble. If they weaken, your independence starts to slip. And guess what helps slow that muscle loss? Protein. Especially when paired with collagen-rich foods. But here's where people get it wrong. They eat all their protein at dinner, then snack on toast or cookies before bed. That timing is backward. Instead, space your protein out during the day. And if you get hungry after dinner, pick a muscle-friendly snack. Egg whites with a sprinkle of sea salt, some Greek yogurt, even garlic roasted veggies with olive oil. These options fuel your body without fighting against it. If you think that's enough, you'll want to see what's coming. Now here's the big twist. There's one food a lot of seniors eat at night, thinking it's good for them. Whole grain cereal. Yep, even the heart-healthy ones. The kind you pour into a bowl with skim milk and feel like you're making a smart choice. But here's the issue. Even healthy cereal turns into sugar in your bloodstream, fast. And at night, that spike in sugar can interfere with your body's growth hormone, which plays a key role in collagen production and overnight muscle repair. You wake up stiff, sore, and wondering why your knees don't feel right. Not because you're aging too fast, but because your body never got a chance to rebuild. A better evening choice? Poultry with skin, like turkey or chicken thighs. They're rich in type 2 collagen, which supports joint cushioning and cartilage health. Pair that with cooked garlic or steamed greens, and you've got a healing nighttime plate. But what most people miss is even small changes, like switching your 9 p.m. snack, can make a big difference in how your legs feel in the morning. Let's take it further. There are foods that naturally support your collagen levels, especially important after 60, but they aren't flashy. They're not trendy, and they're not always in the senior diet brochures. Take bone broth. It's packed with natural gelatin, which is just cooked collagen. It delivers amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the building blocks your body needs to repair joints and muscle tissue. And best of all, it's warm, comforting, and perfect before bed. Or try fatty fish with skin, like salmon. It's rich in marine collagen and omega-3s, which fight inflammation and keep tissues elastic. Just a few servings a week can help your legs feel looser, lighter, and more stable. Even citrus fruits, like oranges or berries, help your body activate collagen production through their vitamin C. But if you've got reflux, go easy at night. Try them in the morning instead. The next part is the one most people overlook. Now let's talk about the food that might be in your kitchen right now, and it's possibly the most damaging of all. Packaged baked goods. I'm talking about those whole wheat muffins, low-fat cookies, breakfast bars, and even bran crackers. They're marketed as healthy, but look at the label, and you'll often see added sugars, refined grains, and vegetable oils. Late at night, these can be especially harmful. They raise inflammation, damage collagen fibers, and disrupt sleep quality, which you need for tissue repair. So if you're reaching for one of these before bed, you may be silently weakening your legs over time. Instead, keep it simple. Boiled eggs with a pinch of sea salt, a spoonful of nut butter on celery, even a few cooked shrimp or slices of avocado. These give your body what it actually needs, not just what the package says is healthy. But here's the bonus insight. You don't need to overhaul your entire life. You don't need to cut out every carb or fear every snack. What you need is consistency. A few smart swaps, a little less sugar at night, and a little more supportive nutrition for your body's natural repair systems. Because your legs, they're your foundation. They carry you to the fridge, the mailbox, your grandkids, and they deserve to be strong. You deserve to wake up feeling steady, not sore, capable, not creaky. And you can, just by knowing what your body needs and giving it the right tools to heal. If you've ever felt stiff getting out of bed or worried about keeping your independence, try one of the changes we talked about tonight. Just one. And if you found this helpful, tap that like button or share this with someone you care about. Your comment or story might be exactly what another senior needs to hear. You're not just aging, you're adapting. And with the right support, you can stay strong, stable, and confident. Oh, and remember this, collagen may decline with age, but your ability to rebuild it doesn't have to.